Hello, my name's Chris Riley. I'm a product manager at Ergodyne. We're here today to talk about our 3169 racking strap, which is a product that was designed to help warehouse personnel install standard warehouse racking. This product was designed to eliminate safety hazards such as crushed hands and fingers, beams that could fall onto coworkers, equipment, or even yourself, and just in general beams laying around on the floor. This product was designed to fit a majority of standard racking. Let's take a look at how to use this product to install this beam. Simply wrap the strap around one end of the beam, pass the hook through the choke loop, and pull it tight. Lift this end of the beam to the desired height, placing the hook through the keyhole. Always make sure your beam is secure in the rack strap before walking away. Then walk to the other end of the beam and lift it to the desired height. Put it into place. Then walk to the strap end of the beam, put it into place, make sure it is secure. Now you can remove your strap and move on to the next beam.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
To disassemble your racking, simply reverse the steps. With the racking strap attached, remove the first end of the beam and let it hang. Then lower the opposite end gently to the floor. And finish by lowering the strap end of the beam. As you can see, this product makes a cumbersome job much easier and much safer. If you'd like more information on the rack strap or other dropped object prevention products, please visit us at ergodyne.com.